Good day, everyone. Yeah, this is Joke Setro, and you're welcome today to Setro Craft channel. Today, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be doing, based on your popular demands, you said I should do the Niger Delta baby top for you, and that's what I'm doing. I'm making it like a safari top, like a dress for between 1 to 2 years. That's just what we're going to be doing in a couple of minutes. African Fashion and Food Expo 2019 just ended some days ago, and it was a great one. And don't forget to register for our online fashion school for June. The class will be commencing 8th of June. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like our videos, share, follow on Instagram, Setro Fashion, Facebook, Setro Fashion, and let's keep going. So in some minutes, let's just achieve this Niger Delta baby top. Catch you. Yeah. We have our measurement parameters. The shoulder is 9, the chest is 22, the tummy is 21. The length, we are making it as if it's all these long safari. We are making the length 21 or 22, but if it's the normal south, the length is 16. So, and we're also making the sleeve 4 by 7¼ So it all depends on the particular measurement of your baby, but it's within that range. So let's get started. Right now, this is the fold of the front panel. We are folding the front panel to get the chest measurement. Chest 22 divided by 4 is going to give us 5½. So right now we have 5½. The shirt length is 21 inches, like a safari suit. Then we are adding 1½ inch for turning in and ½ inch for sewing. That will make it 23 inches. So just like that. So cut out. Right now, this is the front panel. Fold the back panel this way and place the front panel on it. So we want to achieve the shoulder slants for the front and back panel. So you go to that shoulder edge, 2 inches slants. Remember, the front and back panel are together right now, 2 inches shoulder slants. So from the edge this way, you slant the shoulder to that 2 inches point. You could use your ruler to achieve that slant. So we've gotten the shoulder slants this way. So what we're doing right now, so the neckline right now, it's 11. To achieve that 11, we'll be using depth 2½ on the front panel. Yes, 2½ depth, like so. Then 2 inches width to achieve length neckline 11 inches. Yeah, so we achieve like 6 inches on the front panel. Then we achieve the remaining 5 inches on the back panel. Just like so. Just like so. You notch that point. So you leave ½ inch for joining our allowance of the front panel to the back panel this way, ½ inch for the joining allowance of the front panel to back panel. So you now take the measurements of the neckline. You can see it will give you 3¼ or thereabouts. Yeah, that's 6½ and on the back will achieve 5 inches. So you notch the points of the front panel on the back panel neckline this way because they have to be same. Slant it a bit like so. Can you see that slant? Yeah, slant it a bit. It will not be that straight, just this slant this way. Yeah.